Then go to the official site. Then go to Smart STB activation and trial. So here you have to register your account. Just register your account with the email password and just hit register. So I already have account. I'm just going to log in my one. Okay. Yes, so make sure when you register your account just to verify your account. So as you see, my account is already verified. Now go back to Smart STB and activation trial. So here are the things you need to just read. So make sure your payment is a non-refundable. And then go to agree, show me the activation code. So this code you have to enter in your TV. So I will show you how to enter in your TV. I'll just share my TV screen here and I will show you how to exactly do this one. Then go to system settings. And then go to activation. Then you have to enter that code here. Yeah, so app is waiting for activation, so go back to your website, you will be see all the information here. Now just go. So pick your license from here. Yeah, you can pick trial, you can pick annually, light, annually and lifetime. So I'm going to show the prices for this one. So here again the payment is a non-refundable. So here's the two different prices for light license and full license. So light license doesn't offer any monthly plans, you have to just go for yearly. MA does not support any lifetime license, so with the full license you can go some monthly plans, some yearly plan, and some lifetime. So lifetime is usually
24.99.
So here you will be see the options what you get in the light license and what you get in the full license. Yes, so now go back to the screen. So I'm going to buy full license, it's for lifetime. So just make sure confirm you all the information here, then click agree. So terms and condition. Yes, so your subtotal is
24.99.
So here's just a billing information. Just enter your basic information. So pick your country. Enter your address into the city. So here's the total for lifetime. And here's my information. So you can pay Google Pay, you can use PayPal, or you can use a credit card. So I'm going to use in my credit card. Just enter your card number here. Then expiry date. Reads terms and condition and just hit sign up and it will be warning, so don't leave this page. It will be take maybe 1 to 2 minutes to be done the payment process.